Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I'm the fundamental analyst for Wealth Trade Malaysia. Today I'm going to focus on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. Moving forward, as we look towards our first fundamental factor, we could see that for our interest rate, there has been a lot of hikes. And likely, at the end of this year, we would end up to 4.3% or even more. Seeing forward, for our second fundamental factors, we are looking towards the US flash PMI services, where actually it is being forecasted slightly higher, which is at 45.5. Thirdly, moving forward, as we can see for our fundamental factors, it would be that for the US manufacturing services, we could see that it is actually at 51.0 compared to the previous one, which was 51.5. We are able to see that there is slight contradiction to see where is the actual trend of the gold. The trend is still bearish. We are still seeing that there is a strength in the US dollar. The fundamental range that we are looking forward is between 1650 to 1700. We will also have to wait for the FOMC talk by Jay Powell tomorrow in order to see where would the direction of the US dollar be. Moving forward, for our technical analysis, I will show you in investing.com. As you will be able to see here, for the daily, we can see that we have 3 support points as well as we have 3 resistance points based on Fibonacci. As we could see for the support 1, it would be 1660.02. For support 2, it would be 1653.15. And support 3 would be 1642.01. For the resistance, as we can see, it is 1682.30. And resistance 2 would be 1689.17. And for resistance 3 would be 1700.31. This is the support points. And this is the resistance points that we are looking at. We need to confirm this support and this resistance points with technical analysis. And what we could do is that, as we can see here, there are several technical indicators that we can look over here, which is actually supporting on the strong sell, which means that we will have to look at our resistance area. If you would like to have more confirmation, we can always use the weekly and also the monthly to see what does the technical indicator says. As we could see over here, most of the technical indicators in the higher time frames support to a strong sell. Moving forward, if we would like to have more that we can look into, which is the linear regression. As we can see, the linear regression at the daily time frame is showing downward. And I will support this with a strategy tester, which is the Bollinger Band strategy tester and also the RSI strategy tester. As we could see over here, for the RSI strategy, our percent profitable would be around 57.73. As we could see over here, this shows that our entry for the downtrend would be good. And as we can see, for our Bollinger Band strategy, our percent profitable would be 62.59%, which is also good for us to place our sell entry at that particular resistance area. What we could do is that we can actually go for our resistance area and place for a sell at our daily time frame. However, base this with your own technical analysis and based on your own understanding, and go for your entry. For further information, kindly contact me, Gurmeet. Have a great day.